How to use yellow on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use yellow on Snapchat. So guys, this is a new feature for Snapchat application. So if you want to use yellow on your Snapchat story, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then you have to search for yellow. So just search for yellow. So now you can see an interface. You can see an icon of the yellow will be in this way. You can see here, this is the one. So now guys, what you have to do is just click here and you have to download this application. So now I have already downloaded here. So let me just open my yellow application, and then now you will find your display will be on this interface. So now what you have to do is just click on the get anonymous message. So now you can just type for your yellow here. So let me type for yellow is the best feature. So now after typing this, you can see here an option, share option. So just click on share, and then it will redirect you to your Snapchat story. So just wait for a second. You can see here, you can just swipe up and adjust it. You can see here. So now what you have to do is just click one picture here, and then just adjust your yellow here. Now you have to click on send to option. You can see here, just click to send to, and then my story or our story, it's up to you. So I will just show you in my story. So just click on send, and then wait for a second. Your story will be added on your story. So now let's see. You can see here my yellow has been updated on my story. So guys, this is how you can use yellow on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.